Now, let's say you want to create groups. Okay, let's say you want to group by a certain variable, which is categorical, right? So in this case, let's say you want to group by the quality of cutting, right? So you want to group by cut column. Okay, so how can you do that? So the first thing that we can do is we can say xyplot. Okay, remember we're examining the relationship between the price as well as the weight, right? So we can say data equals diamond. Okay, so if you run this, so this here is your scatter plot. So if you come in here and say group, okay, and then you pass in cut, and then you pass in this column cut. So if you run this, you observe now in our scatter plot we have points, but they are in different colors, telling us that we now have been able to group by this column cut. However, what you are seeing here is that this is not clear as to where the quality of the cut, whether it is premium, ideal, fair, good, etc. In order to be able to differentiate between these points, which one belongs to which category, so you will come in here, okay, and you will come here and say you want this group by cut. Okay, now what follows is we have this additional argument, okay, that will create us a default legend, okay, so that we can be able to see which point or which set of points belongs to which category. Okay, in this case, to which set of these points belong to which quality of the cut of the diamond. Okay, so let's run this. Now, what you are seeing here, when we use the lattice package, lattice, when you specify auto.key, it is able to identify for us which set of points based on the color belong to which category. Okay, so in this case, we can see that for fair cut, it has assigned the color blue. For good, it has assigned this other color, which is kind of pink. And then for ideal, it's green. Then these other points, they are red and orange. So that is how you can add a legend, right? So in this case, you say auto.key and you set that to true. So that is how you can create your scatter plot, be able to add title and as well as your X labels as well, and also your Y labels, and be able to examine the relationship. So this was quite a very huge data set to work with, but we have been able to create scatter plots.